In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on the Venmo app, step by step. So first, go ahead and open the Venmo app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Crypto tab. Here you'll see a list of different cryptocurrencies that Venmo supports, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. For this example, let's go ahead and tap on Bitcoin. On the next screen, you'll see the current Bitcoin price along with the option to buy or sell. Tap on Buy. If this is your first time buying crypto on Venmo, the app will ask you to enter a few details about yourself, such as your legal name, date of birth, and possibly your SSN or tax ID for verification purposes. This is completely normal and required for crypto purchases. Once you've completed that part, tap Continue to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the Buy screen. Here you can choose how much Bitcoin you want to purchase. You can either select a preset amount like $1, $5, $10, $50, or enter a custom amount manually. Let's say for this example, you select $1 worth of Bitcoin. You'll then see a review screen showing your purchase details, including the transaction fee. The fee amount depends on how much crypto you're buying. For small amounts like $1, the fee is usually around 49 cents. But if you buy more, for example, $50, the fee might be around $2, and for $100, around $2.49. The larger the purchase, the higher the fee, but the percentage often decreases for bigger transactions. Next, at the top of the page, you'll see your payment method. You can choose whether to buy using your Venmo balance, your linked bank account, or your debit card. Tap on the payment method and select whichever one you prefer. Right below, you'll also see an option to turn on notifications for price changes. This means Venmo can notify you whenever Bitcoin's price moves up or down, so you can stay updated without constantly checking. Once everything looks good, tap on Buy Bitcoin at the bottom of the screen. After that, Venmo will process your purchase, and you'll see a confirmation screen showing the amount of Bitcoin you've just bought. That Bitcoin will be instantly added to your Venmo crypto balance, and you can view it anytime by going back to the Crypto tab. If you ever want to sell your Bitcoin, send it to another Venmo user, or transfer it to an external wallet, you can do that directly from within the same crypto section of the app. And that's it. That's how you buy crypto on Venmo quickly and easily.